Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to leverage artificial intelligence to boost your income. AI is transforming industries left and right, and it's no surprise that savvy individuals are finding ways to capitalize on these advancements. In this video, we're going to explore 7 AI tools that can potentially make you rich. These tools span various fields, from finance to content creation, marketing, personal productivity, and beyond. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned business owner, or someone looking to make some extra cash, stay tuned because this video is packed with valuable insights. First up, let's talk about ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT can generate human-like text based on the prompts you give it. It's incredibly versatile and can be used for a multitude of purposes, such as drafting emails, writing articles, creating marketing copy, and even coding assistance. What makes ChatGPT a potential goldmine is its ability to save you time and enhance your productivity. For instance, if you're a content creator, you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, outline your content, or even write full drafts that you can then edit and personalize. This allows you to produce more content in less time, thereby increasing your output and potential revenue. Moreover, businesses can use ChatGPT to automate customer service through chatbots, reducing the need for extensive human resources and improving efficiency. The key to making money with ChatGPT lies in identifying areas where you can replace or supplement human effort with AI, freeing up time to focus on more strategic tasks. Next on our list is a tool called Jasper, formerly known as Jarvis. Jasper is an AI writing assistant designed specifically for marketers, copywriters, and business owners. It excels at creating engaging and persuasive copy, which is crucial for driving sales and conversions. Jasper can help you write anything from blog posts and social media updates to email marketing campaigns and product descriptions. What sets Jasper apart is its understanding of tone and style, enabling it to match the voice of your brand seamlessly. By utilizing Jasper, you can produce high-quality content at scale, significantly enhancing your marketing efforts. This not only helps in attracting more customers, but also in retaining them through consistent and compelling communication. For freelance writers and agencies, Jasper can be a game changer by allowing you to take on more clients and projects without compromising on quality. The increased efficiency and output can directly translate to higher earnings and business growth. Moving on, let's discuss an AI tool that's making waves in the financial sector: Alpaca. Alpaca is an API for trading stocks and crypto, but what makes it truly innovative is its use of AI to provide algorithmic trading capabilities. Algorithmic trading involves using complex algorithms to execute trades at speeds and frequencies that would be impossible for a human trader. Alpaca allows you to build, backtest, and deploy trading algorithms, making it accessible to both seasoned traders and beginners. The platform provides historical data and real-time market data, which you can use to create strategies tailored to your investment goals. By leveraging Alpaca's AI-driven tools, you can potentially identify profitable trading opportunities faster and more accurately than manual methods. This can lead to substantial financial gains, especially if you can develop a robust and effective trading strategy. Additionally, Alpaca's commission-free trading model means you get to keep more of your profits, making it an attractive option for those looking to maximize their returns. Another exciting AI tool is Canva, an online design platform that makes creating professional quality graphics easy and accessible. While Canva itself isn't new, its integration of AI features is what sets it apart. Canva's AI tools can generate design suggestions, autocorrect layouts, and even provide AI-powered photo editing. This democratizes design, allowing anyone, regardless of their artistic skill level, to produce stunning visuals. If you're in the business of social media management, digital marketing, or even print design, Canva can help you produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. This can be a significant advantage in a competitive market, where visual appeal plays a crucial role in attracting and retaining customers. By streamlining your design process with Canva, you can take on more projects, improve client satisfaction, and ultimately increase your revenue. Let's shift gears a bit and talk about an AI tool that's transforming the e-commerce landscape: Shopify's AI capabilities. Shopify, as many of you know, is a leading e-commerce platform that enables entrepreneurs to set up and run their online stores. Recently, Shopify has been integrating AI features to enhance various aspects of the e-commerce experience. For instance, Shopify's AI can help with product recommendations, personalized marketing, and even inventory management. By using AI to analyze customer behavior and preferences, Shopify can suggest products that are more likely to convert, thereby increasing sales. Additionally, AI-driven marketing tools can automate and optimize ad campaigns, ensuring that your marketing dollars are spent effectively. Inventory management is another area where AI shines, predicting trends and ensuring you stock up on products that are likely to be in high demand. These AI enhancements not only make running an online store more efficient, but also significantly boost your sales potential, contributing to a healthier bottom line. Next, let's delve into an AI tool that's making a significant impact in the real estate market: House Canary. House Canary leverages AI and machine learning to provide accurate real estate valuations and market insights. This is particularly valuable for real estate investors, agents, and appraisers. House Canary's predictive analytics can forecast property values, rental prices, and even market trends, giving users a competitive edge. By using House Canary, investors can make more informed decisions, identify lucrative investment opportunities, and mitigate risks. For real estate agents, having access to accurate and up-to-date property data can enhance your ability to serve clients and close deals. The insights provided by House Canary can also help you negotiate better deals and improve your overall success rate. In a market as volatile as real estate, having a reliable AI tool to guide your decisions can be incredibly lucrative. Finally, let's talk about an AI tool that's perfect for personal productivity and time management: Notion. Notion is a versatile workspace that combines note-taking, project management, and task tracking in one platform. What makes Notion truly powerful is its AI capabilities, which can help you organize your work and life more efficiently. Notion's AI can assist with setting up workflows, managing databases, and even automating repetitive tasks. By using Notion, you can streamline your daily operations, reduce clutter, and focus on what matters most. This increased efficiency can lead to better performance and more opportunities for growth, both personally and professionally. Whether you're managing a team, running a business, or simply trying to stay on top of your personal projects, Notion's AI tools can help you stay organized and productive. The time and effort saved by using Notion can be redirected towards income-generating activities, ultimately contributing to your financial success. So there you have it, 7 AI tools that have the potential to make you rich. From enhancing your productivity and marketing efforts to revolutionizing your trading strategies and real estate investments, these tools offer numerous opportunities to boost your income. The key to leveraging these tools effectively is to understand your specific needs and goals, and then identify which tools can best help you achieve them. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities for using these technologies to improve your financial situation will only expand. If you're not already incorporating AI into your workflow, now is the perfect time to start exploring these tools and seeing how they can benefit you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this.